Stop scrolling. What if someone picks up your phone and opens your WhatsApp without your permission? They could read your private chats in just a few seconds. But don't worry, today I will show you how to lock your WhatsApp with your fingerprint, so only you can open it. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap the three dots in the right top corner. From the menu, click Settings. Next, click Privacy. Scroll down until you find App Lock. Turn on the toggle Next to unlock the fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint to confirm. After that, under the automatic lock, choose the option you prefer. Then make sure Show Content in Notifications is turned off to keep your messages private. Now close WhatsApp and remove it from your recent apps. Open WhatsApp again and you will see that it will now ask for your fingerprint before anyone can access your chats. And that is it. Your WhatsApp is now protected with your fingerprint, keeping your private conversations safe from anyone who uses your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.